Deep fried cheese curds are irresistibly good, and you can find them at just about any state fair. Howard continues his Mr. Food Test Kitchen series on the road to find out how to make these golden nuggets of goodness.
When we think of fair foods, we usually think of the classics. You know, funnel cakes, foot-long hot dogs, and of course, cotton candy. But these days, we have so many more options. That's why this week, we're exploring all kinds of fair foods. And today, we're highlighting a staple that's popular at fairs throughout the Midwest. It's deep-fried cheese curds. And in case you're not familiar with cheese curds, they're a byproduct formed during the cheese-making process. Curds are like cheese, yet a bit rubbery, and they sort of squeak when you bite into them. At the Minnesota State Fair, they've been enjoying these golden nuggets of goodness for over 40 years. To make them, all we do is soak cheese curds in a mixture of buttermilk and beer for a bit before we drain them and toss them in seasoned flour. Then we'll deep fry them until they're golden. Let me tell you, these babies are hard to resist with their crispy coating and their ooey gooey center. These are not to be missed. And for those of you who can't wait for the fair or just want to make these tonight, we have an easy recipe for you. To get it, all you have to do is go to our website and search for fried cheese curds. I know you'll be glad you did. You know, I love the fair and all the food that comes with it. Once I polish these off, I'm gonna check out a few more rides. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and I'm having a blast, cause everywhere I turn, there's lots more. Ooh, it's so good.
I absolutely love cheese curds. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at